kids.
Super Y!
I love to spell S-P-E-L-L. I really love to spell S-P-E-L-L. I really love to spell. What letter makes a H sound? H. What letter makes a I sound? I. What letter makes a K sound? C. What letter makes a K sound? That's C. What letter makes a sound? U. What letter makes a P sound? P. Put it all together and what does it spell? H-I-C-C-U-P.